Okay, looks like it's time to put together the red Gobbo surprise. So hopefully should be a simple build, this one. Going to start out then with 1 and 2. Oh, I'm completely off centre there, aren't I? Yeah, 1 and 2. Keep saying to myself, I've got so much to do before, hopefully, fingers crossed, to move house. I mean, I'm hoping to move house. I've been saying it for how long now? Gosh, so busy. Right, yeah, I got a lot to do, and I just don't have time for painting, and I've got a big model to put together, unfortunately, as well. 3 and 4, which again is something I just don't really have time for at the moment, but I'm going to find time, along with trying to get some painting done this holiday. Right, here we go. So this is, hopefully this should be quite simple put together, this. Oh gosh, fingers are numb today. Need to stop eating so much chocolate. I just don't think it helps give a restful sleep. It's just the wrong time of the year. Do you know what? I just don't feel like I'm getting enough light down here. I don't know if it's my phone or what. Just trying to compensate for the bright ring light. I don't know, but when I look on, I know that I've got a lot of light pointing downward, but when I look on my phone screen, it looks dull, and I'm worried that my phone's compensating for all the light I've got down now. I need a real camera though now. I need a proper camera to do this job, not my phone, but never mind. Okay, so yeah, it looks like these are dead simple to put together anyway. Now, as I previously said, I feel like this is a good stand-in for the Commando Grot if you're feeling like you want an alternative miniature for that force. And you can tell just looking at it with the explosives, with the kind of grapple wire. I think that definitely works for me. Plus it kind of fits the ethos of Commandos and Snakebite to naturally mimic human traditions. Now, I have absolutely no doubt that the human race, no matter what planet they're on, still celebrate, or at least on certain types of world anyway, particularly ones where they get cold, naturally celebrate when it's getting warmer again. It kind of makes sense that certain traditions would survive. I mean, these traditions have been around for tens of thousands of years. We can just see things like Stonehenge that's been built up over a long time. So yeah, I think I can just imagine a human colony still celebrating the solstice on their world. Right. The thing is, this is a nice easy model to pop together. There seems to be like just a lot of easy to do points by the look of it. Don't know about anyone else, but I don't know if I should even be talking about stuff like this, but I absolutely loved the Christmas special of Doctor Who. Absolutely loved it. Personal opinion. Yeah. Oh, Ncuti Gatwa is going to be a cool Doctor. I just wish that ratings weren't falling apart, but I suppose you expect it after the disaster of chin balls era. So yeah. Ooh. Amazon stop. Random alarm going off. I remember what that is in a second when no doubt that someone tells me I forgot something important. Right, let me just make sure I've got this right. So it looks like that circle needs to go in that corner there. Okay, there's my little base done. And now for Gobbo himself. So we need 6 and 5. So I'm hoping this will be this should be quite a quick build. Yeah, so I've been enjoying a bit of festive TV, which I don't normally do, but particularly with Doctor Who going on Christmas, I was really happy with that. It's about time it was brought back. There we go. But yeah, definitely recommend you watch it. Okay, where are we up to? Oh, come on. Gosh, I'm so slow doing things like this. Getting off all the tiny little webbing and everything like that. I said I'm really hoping that this darkness on my phone, because it keeps showing up at the moment and it's bothering me. I'm hoping it's like just my screen compensating and my video is actually light. I'll have to check this over later because I noticed it was doing that the other day. Right, it's Ed for number 7. One thing I'm glad about this miniature is I'm not having to, by the look of it, leave any parts off for painting ease. I know I've had those problems in the past with some of these complex, particularly these kind of character series and commemorative models and things like that. But this guy's really easy build, isn't he? No stress or hassle. Apparently feels like the head probably would be best kept off for painting, but I'm going to pop it on. I'll work it out, getting around the details. Hey, we're almost done already. I'm actually very pleased about how quick this build's going. Number 9, it's this stick of dynamite. And then number 8, his finger kind of wagging. Oh, it's not wagging, is it? It's kind of going. Oh, I've cut into the finger a little bit there by accident, trying to get that webbing right off here. Oh gosh, I have to be careful now. Oh, my fingers are off today. Okay, pop this on here. Oh, good. with glue. So we've got the shushing finger going this way. Can't wait till my gits come. Then stick it in the mic that way. Now, not going to glue into the base because I want to be able to paint those separate. But what I will do is I will glue this to the main base. Like that. Okay, and there we go. What a simple build. 11 minutes. There we go. There he is. The Red Gobbo surprise, complete with chimney and explosives and big bag of explosives and other things by the look of it. Okay, there we go. Hope that was a nice easy build for you to follow. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.